Hey everyone, in this video I'll explain how inbound call context work in SigmaMind AI using Webhook and how it helps personalize inbound calls. So outbound calls are simple because we already know who we are calling. We can send call specific information directly before the call start. Inbound call are different because the call is initiated by the caller, so we don't have any context upfront. That's why we need a way to receive caller details when the call arrives. When an inbound call arrives, SigmaMind send a post request to your webhook endpoint. Your system can process the caller details and return dynamic variable that add context to the call. So to configure this, go to the SigmaMind dashboard and go to this phone number section. And under inbound call settings, set your inbound webhook URL. So this works for both purchased and important phone numbers. So here's what happens when someone call your number, the inbound call arrive on this number. SigmaMind send a post request to your webhook with the caller details. So while waiting for the response, the caller remains in a ringing state. So once a successful response is received, the call is connected to this agent with the provided context. So in this example, I am using an anything workflow connected to a Google Sheet that map phone numbers to name. So when a known number calls in, the webhook return dynamic variable like first. Then the AI agent uses this information to greet the caller personally. For example, hi Ankita. So here is the sheet where I have given the number and the name, and this is the workflow I have set up on Anytime, and I have passed this webhook URL here, and on the agent here you can see I have passed the first name in dynamic variable. So AI agent uses this information to greet the caller personally. So Sigma might wait up to 10 seconds for a webhook response. If no successful response is received, it retries up to 3 times. If all retries fail, the call is not connected to the AI agent and is disconnected. So that's how inbound call contexts work in SigmaMind AI. Try it out. Thank you.